Ah, ah. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy ETGJ, man. We back with another one at the rim, man. And I know it's been a while, man. Calm down, calm down. And I know it's been a minute since but man, I'm back. I'm back, and it's everything to gain, nothing to lose. You already know what's going on. But hey, man, ain't gonna take too much of y'all time. I'm gonna get right into this video because I know y'all got stuff to do. Holidays around the corner, all that good stuff. I got you. But hey, we got the credit card thief start crying because he got to go to jail. So this is a recommended video, man. I ain't even seen it yet, but we about to check it out together. But let's get right into it. Take too much of y'all time. Let's get it.
Next, we're in Detroit, Michigan, where 29-year-old Dominique Slaughter is scheduled to turn himself in and begin a previously ordered jail sentence. 3 years earlier, Slaughter was arrested and charged with possessing a stolen credit card and carrying a concealed weapon. He pled guilty and was sentenced to 1 year in jail and 18 months probation, plus restitution and fines. Despite failing to report to jail, Judge Kelly Ramsey allowed Slaughter to remain free on probation with a GPS tether.
Dang.
Work to pay off his restitution.
She lit out.
Also resolved 6 outstanding warrants he had in other jurisdictions.
For a year? And you had 6 other.
Today, 14 months after sentencing, Slaughter's scheduled.
Man, this Negro just left work. Or he came in before where he ain't even wear no button up or nothing. Man, Judge looking at him like, man, you ain't even come in prepared. You ain't come in serious. Nothing. You look like you laying the yellow lines on the road or something. Like, you look like you don't care about this at all. And yeah, he look like he don't care. He got a public appointed lawyer.
To surrender to the court and start serving his year in jail. But first, Slaughter's probation officer, Brittany Wisser, informs the judge that Slaughter has not exactly been complying with her probation orders.
Mr. Slaughter still has not paid anything towards his fees, costs, or restitution. He has not resolved the 6 pending warrants that he had. He now has an additional 4 warrants as well, which are for driving without a license and for narcotic possession. He failed to appear for sentencing. The tether reports will show that he has multiple shutdowns of his tether, meaning he has failed to charge that tether and it was shut down. There's a total of 11 shutdowns, and then there is a home zone violations as well. There's 21 of those violations. Those are saying that he's not in the home when he was required to be in the home.
Dang.
But the judge seems more concerned with getting Slaughter to serve his long-delayed jail sentence.
That's your ass.
I'm not going to deal with any of this today. This is a surrender date for Mr. Slaughter, and that's what's going to happen. If there is a violation of probation filed or a tether violation filed subsequent to this, then you'll receive notice and we'll hear it.
When the judge mentions his impending jail time, Slaughter becomes distraught, raising his hands and holding his head.
He is hurt.
What's upsetting you, Mr. Slaughter? Sheriff?
Whenever you go, you know it ain't nothing you could do but just beg. Ain't nothing you could do, just beg. Like, please, Your Honor, please, just let me go. Please, Lord, please. I'd do anything. I'd do some jumping jacks. I'd jump through the hoop right now or something. Like, man, he is stressed. When he put that hat on that back table, that's when I knew. That's when I saw. Like, he better start crying.
Don't like you turning around. Stand still, face me.
Like in class.
This is a surrender date. I'm sorry I asked for an update, Mr. Slaughter, if a fraction of what she said is true. No, this is a surrender date, Mr. Slaughter.
No, don't
A
start crying now.
surrender date.
You out here stealing credit cards.
I didn't think
people
that I
harder
did
than
like
money.
that because the work was in there, so I thought I was gonna get continued. That's why I even went to work today.
Objection to work release if work
They don't
release
care about
is
none of that.
offered,
Them judges
Mr.
don't care about
Slaughter.
none of that, dog.
If it is offered, it is not offered.
You had a whole
It
year to
doesn't
get ready.
exist anymore. This was a plea, not a trial, a plea. I'm not relitigating where we are.
I get my direct deposit tomorrow. I just wanted to make sure that my wife is on the straight as it.
You knew that it was today. The direct deposit is going to be there tomorrow.
It'll be there. You just ain't gonna be able to spend it.
Please.
Your wife, doesn't she have access to your bank account?
No, she don't. No, she don't. My wife got a spending problem, so I keep all my money spent. That's all I'm.
What are you going to do for the next 11 months?
Then what you leaving money with her for? You need to get that money to your mama or somebody. No, dog. No, man. No. She gonna be all at the Applebee's, getting the dollar margaritas and half price appetizers, and going to the club, getting the newest fake Jordans and all that. No, you don't need to do that. He messed up right there. The judge is like, you tripping. Talking about he gonna leave her some money. Man, but she got a spending problem. You want to give her your last free check for a year, a couple months. You want to give her your last check, and she got a spending problem. Made that make sense.
This is the Wayne County Jail.
She's gonna have to figure it out.
Well, then she had to figure it out before today. Today's the surrender date, Mr. Slaughter.
Judge Ramsey's had enough and is ready to move on. But Slaughter continues to plead for more time.
They don't care about
that. Just some more, I still gotta tell her.
This is disingenuous, Mr. Slaughter. You can't ask me for any more time. I've been as generous gift.
She has.
Mr. Slaughter, you see this 3 pages
Yeah,
of
you a
people
whole
need to see today.
pair
Three
too.
pages.
Everything
You got a
tonight,
whole six.
I would turn
Case
myself in the morning. I will come straight down.
Come on now, Mr. Slaughter. Today is the day. How many pieces do you
Tell
get
the
out of
day.
me?
Today is the day.
Just a few hours. Just to say bye to my family and everything.
That was last night. That was last night.
Family.
You're at the end of probation. You got to.
He must thought he acting like he didn't know that he was going to jail today. I don't think he knew he got so many cases open. Excuse me. I don't think he knew you going to jail today. Today is your last day of freedom. Yesterday was your last day of freedom. I don't think he knew that, because I don't think he could have, man, if he got all this stuff. Say bye to mama and daddy, the babies and your wife, get you a little coochie goo in, and he didn't do that. He
serve this time.
told up.
Call with my sheriff.
He like, man, I ain't get no coochie or nothing before I could. God.
Come on now. Breaking the law has its consequences.
He like
Slaughter is now serving his year in jail. When released, he'll still need to complete 4 more months of probation.
That's all the adults are, man.
Thanks for being a fan of Court Cam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full.
But it was a cool little video, man. I'm gonna definitely keep doing these. I like this because, man, that was pretty funny. But what's that, court cam? It's court cam. But hey, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. And like I always say, stay in your lane, stay in your square, keep doing your thing. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.